Deep in the heart of the jungle, Max the dog was enjoying the perfect lunch. Or so he thought. Hiding nearby, Miko the monkey had a plan, and oh, it was sneaky. Whoosh! In one swift move, the sandwich was gone. But Max wasn't just a pretty tail, he was clever too. Miko took a big bite and blah! Banana peel? Seriously? The chase was on, through vines, bushes, and was that a toucan? Max dangled the sandwich like a trophy. Miko was not amused. But then, snap! A hidden rope trap, both caught mid-air. And from above, a parrot laughed like it was the best show in town. In the end, Max and Miko couldn't stop laughing. Maybe the jungle's not so wild when you've got a friend to prank.